Be careful, stack them gently.
This basket is full. Move it to the shade.
Be careful with that one, it's heavy.
I've got it, let's move it to the truck.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching!
Careful with that one, it's very heavy.
I got it. Move it along quickly now.
Keep the line moving, brothers.
We need more crates over here.
Bring the next crates over here.
Watch the conveyor, they're starting the line. Next box up.
Hurry it up down there. Send the next one. Okay, last one.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. We've got lots of exciting content coming your way.
Careful with this one. Got it. Watch your step.
Watch the top stack, careful now. Got it, this one goes here. Secure that strap before we move it.
Stack those mangoes securely on the right. We've got 3 more pallets coming.
Copy that. Moving the next crate now.
Watch your step coming in. Got it, where does this one go? Right here on the 3rd stack.
Ready? Pull. Okay, they're heavy.
This one feels good.
Yeah, the color is perfect too.
Watch out for those brown spots.
I'm seeing a slight deviation on the color analysis here.
All right, increasing the light intensity now.
The sensors here check the fill level and cap seal before they move into the automated packing system.
If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
Next pallet coming in.
All right, bring it forward. We have room for 2 more stacks.
Okay, keep it coming slow. Watch your side.
Seals are secure, manifest checked.
All right, next truck, pull forward now.